As a level 2 Nigerian seller on Fiverr, I'm going to be giving you 1,001 reasons to start a professional spokesperson's gig on Fiverr with your smartphone only. Now, before I go into this video, I want you to see some of my videos I made for clients with my smartphone only. Nothing more, no camera. I shot all of this with my smartphone. So here, this is some of them. So I'm sure you've seen the videos I just showed you. They were all created with my smartphone. I mean, I create and edit all of them with my smartphone. Now, when I started Fiverr in 2016, what I started with was videos. I do just videos on Fiverr, but I had to upgrade myself with time. When I started with just videos. Until today, it's still videos I do. To be a professional spokesperson on Fiverr, all you need to do is be able to speak, have a nice looking face, and probably too, yes, have a nice background. Make do with the green screen. In fact, most clients come for green screen videos. Most clients want green screen videos. So it's a norm to have a green screen. Like it's a norm to shoot with green screen on video, except you ask for a natural background. Then you shoot probably in a nice looking background. Must not be exotic. Trust me, except the client is asking for something exotic, then you probably tell the client you don't have, or you have if you do have it. So starting a spokesperson's gig on Fiverr is the easiest thing to do, and it is the fastest selling gig on Fiverr. It's as easy as ABCD. I have created a video where you learn how to create a seller account on Fiverr. With a spokesperson's gig on Fiverr, you can pay yourself salary every month. Trust me, and it's the fastest selling gig on Fiverr. As long as you are ready to have your face looking beautiful, looking radiant, bright enough, and you can communicate. I mean, like, you can make people want to listen and want to watch your video, then you can be a spokesperson gig seller on Fiverr. All you need to have is, if you don't have an artificial lighting equipment, then you can make do with the sunlight whenever there is sunlight. That's what I used to do before I got lighting equipment. Then aside from your lighting equipment, what I do is that I don't cram scripts, and it's not difficult. They always give you scripts. It's hard before you see a client come to you to form scripts for them. All you need to do is they give you scripts, you take it to a teleprompter like this one. This is my teleprompter app I use. You take it to a teleprompter, you fix in the script in the teleprompter, and then you set up your arena, look good and everything from client's description. They will always tell you wear a t-shirt, wear this dress, or they'll ask you what costumes do you have available. Then it's just probably you negotiating with the client. But I can assure you that you can pay yourself salary from being a spokesperson on Fiverr. It's the fastest and best selling gig. I have the course where I created how to set up your gigs on Fiverr. On that course, you will learn how to set up your spokesperson's gig on Fiverr. And then I have different courses on how to shoot and edit videos. Now you can check my description. I'm going to load you with all those videos, or you just check my playlist for smartphone videography. Now I have the video where I used to remove green screen. Like I used to edit green screen videos. I have videos on how to use InShot app. I have videos on how to use KineMaster app. Those are the apps I basically use. And I have a video on showing you how to shoot and edit newscasters videos. And then my green screen background remover video will show you how I change my background to any color of background my client wants, like you saw in most of the videos you saw. And then I get most of my backgrounds from the internet. If a client wants an office background, a kitchen background like you saw, all those things, the fitness background like you saw, I just get them from Google. I go to Google those things and then I use them. It's simple. It's totally easy. So the only thing you just need to do is look good for the camera, have a clear phone, use a good smartphone, use a good smartphone so that your videos are good, because they will always ask you to shoot at least 1080p. Yeah, clients want at least 1080p full HD quality. So you need a good smartphone, and I'm sure you can get one from not so much. They are nice techno phones. I have used techno phones to shoot my spokesperson's gigs, so I can assure you that you can get nice phones that are not that expensive. In fact, I bought all my shoot equipment with Fiverr money. I made money on Fiverr that was able to help me buy my lighting equipment, my green screen, and everything. It's lucrative, and I mean, I wanted to upgrade, I wanted to upscale, so I decided to buy. So setting up a spokesperson's gig on Fiverr is the easiest thing to do. So check the description below. You will see all the videos you need, the tutorials you need to be able to help you set up your Fiverr gig, to be able to help you shoot and edit your Fiverr professional spokesperson's videos. I mean, negotiating with clients is easy as long as you have a good sample video. So first of all, you set up a gig, make nice sample videos. In the description too, you will find a link to my own Fiverr account. On my Fiverr account, you will see my gig samples. It will give you an idea of all those things. So I normally upgrade myself. What I do is that I like to check people who are already doing extremely well. I mean, those foreigners, I mean whites, I like to see what they are doing on Fiverr. I like to copy their style in one way or the other. It helps me upgrade and upscale myself. So I've made everything easy for you. Just check the videos in my description for how to edit, how to create your seller's account. I mean, you can decide to just sell only spokesperson's gig on Fiverr and you will make good money. I do just spokesperson's gigs on Fiverr. I don't do any other thing on Fiverr, and I make good money from Fiverr doing just spokesperson's gigs. So make a choice today to be a spokesperson on Fiverr and be on your way to happiness. See you on my next video.